Got the machinery off and going to start digging out the patio area. We've moved the shed and the junk out of it. Going to dig 3 metres out along here. Get the machinery all ready to go and take it out and load it onto the truck. Started to load some of this out. Got some on the truck already. We'll go through here a bit slowly. Brought a load of stones out and just bringing the first dumper load in. He's just getting used to driving this, so it is a bit tricky actually. It's a bit severe. It doesn't react gently. Yeah, it's always a bit tricky, but it's got 2 gears. Dead slow and quite fast. The quite fast gear is kind of very difficult to control, especially going around corners. Compacting the stone, we've got the stone in, compacting it nicely with the wax plate. Okay, what I'm doing now is I'm reducing the level of the soil in the garden because it's going to be turf, but it's too high on that side so it's running downhill. So what we're going to do is level it out so that the patio and the lawn are on one level. Now that's what I'm doing. Now, getting it as accurate as I can. Take the surface away. That's the last dumper load. We've reduced the garden by about 6 inches off this side. Plenty of topsoil, so we didn't have to do anything with that. So we can move the shed and everything back here now. That's the last load going on to the back of the truck. Moving the shed out of the way. So I've just got a mixture of sand and cement screed down, screeded it with the bucket and the plank, and levelled it out, and now we're giving it a good whackering. So we've got this sand and cement mixture, sort of a dry mix, and that's been spread out, graded, and the whacker has compacted it nicely. So we've got a nice firm base here to lay the sand and cement slabs on. So there won't be any movement in this. We're going to put drainage gravel down, and we've connected up to that drain there for the drainage. So that should be fine. Just waiting for the slabs to arrive now. Aaron's just bringing the slabs in off the back of the truck. We're going to collect them. We've got to cut a few in half. And we brought our cement mixer. It conked out. We brought a new one from a plant hire company, and that's conked out as well. So we haven't got a mixer now. I started getting a few slabs down, and we're going to be off now because it's 6:15. Hello, Brett. This is the man of the house.
Hey,
this is the man we're doing the job for. He did a job for his brother 2 years ago, and he was happy, so he recommended us.
Yes.
Good. Getting some slabs down, as you can see. Making a bit of progress.
Running the London Marathon next weekend.
Right. Yeah. Well, got the patio down on one, the last slab. Well, here we are on Monday morning. Nice day, sun shining, everybody happy. We dismantled the shed, and we're going to have to take that away. After all that trouble of moving it around, not to damage it, Brett decided he didn't want it, and now we're going to take it away. So slabs look good. Just got to be grouted in. I'm going to level this piece of ground out today, just getting all the stuff cleared off it. We're going to get the turf down. The turf has arrived and it's outside on the pavement, so it's going to be a nice warm day, so we will need a hose pipe and some water. So we're going to get this stuff moved out of the way, and then we'll get cracking leveling the ground. So I've started giving this a bit of a rough up. We've already dug it once and taken the turf off, so what I'm going to do now is just loosen the surface, and then I'll put the rake on and grade it out properly and mix up a bit of sand in with it, just to stop it going hard again. Oh, we've got the ground graded off nicely, and all the lumps and bumps and stones taken out of it, so it's quite smooth. And we're just sorting out the borders, where the borders are going to be, just chiseling them square, and we're getting some turf down. I've got to go away now to go and get rid of that old shed that's on the back of the truck, and bring some white sand back, silicon sand, silica sand, so that we can actually grout these slabs in. Well, while I've been away, Aaron's been a good lad, and he's got all this turf down. Just a few little bits of cutting up to do while where we're getting in and out. I'm going to take the machine and load that up out the way, and everything should be coming along nicely. We've just got this structure to build tomorrow and another structure down there, so we'll continue then on. Final touches to the framework, and then we're going to start cladding it. Making sure it's all nice and strong. Yeah, we've caught Aaron doing some work. Good lad, Aaron. Just putting the cladding on our framework, and we're going to put a couple of decking strips along the top, so that'll be nice. Nearly getting there. Yeah, we've got the seating arrangement sorted. Just got to clear the junk off it. We're not finished yet. We're building the flower bed boxes now. Cutting up all this timber. I'm going to screw it all together. Hopefully we'll get it finished today. My doggy's enjoying the job. We're still cutting up timber, making boxes and troughs. And we've got one on the truck that we've just carved up. And we've just got to screw it together now. Bringing all the kit out. It's only rough cut timber, but it's effective. So we've just about completed the job really. We've built those flower bed pots, those raised beds down there. I don't know whether Brett will be happy with them or not, but that's what he said he wanted. We've got the turf down, we've cleaned up. We've got the slabs down, we've completed the benches, and everything's just about done. We've had a good tidy up outside. We haven't done the planting out or anything like that because that's not part of our job, and we haven't put the topsoil in the boxes. All our job was to do basically the labour and get the lawn down to level. As you can see by the borders over there how much we brought the lawn down, brought it in line with the patio, so that basically we've taken the slope out of it, and just waiting for Brett to arrive home, and then we'll get his opinion on what he thinks the job's like. So I'm going to put some water on the grass while I'm waiting, and we'll catch up with you in a moment. Right, good evening Brett, nice to see you. Hope you've had a hard day at the office getting your garden complete. Looks like the family's back as well. Yeah. Yeah, the family are back.
Well done, guys.
So,
Come out in a bit. I'm just doing some film with it, then you can come out, okay?
I'm just going to see what Brett
Okay, it won't be long.
has to say about his garden. So, what do you reckon then?
Yeah, really pleased.
Everything all right?
Yeah, you've
Yeah.
done a great job, Eric, and it looks completely different now.
Good.
And
So you're happy then?
really
You're happy.
great.
You're a happy customer.
It looks big, it looks bigger, and
Yeah.
the kids are going to enjoy playing in the space.
Yeah,
and we're going to be able to put some plants over here.
Yep, yep.
Paint the boxes
Yeah, great.
tomorrow. So
Yeah.
well done, Eric.
Thank you very much,
You've
sir.
done a great job, mate. So
Well, it's been a pleasure working with you. Thank you, Mrs. for the hospitality with the tea and everything. And you know, it's been nice working here. We've enjoyed doing the job, and I'm glad at the end of the day that you're happy with it.
great.
And thank you for watching the film, and thank you for the praise, and look forward to more filming.
Cheers.
Bye.
Nice one, Eric.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Cheers.